Hi everyone and welcome to my Happy Mail video. I just got this surprise package and it's a present from Pascal and she sent me this amazing present. I absolutely forgot all my words because I am so incredibly happy. It's absolutely amazing. She sent me 60 polychromos pencils. I am out of my mind from joy and happiness, and honestly, I don't understand what I did to deserve such a present, and more to deserve so many people who want to support me, my channel, my creativity, and my art. It was a very thoughtful gift. Pascal noticed that with my crazy speed and volume of coloring, I ran out of art supplies very quickly, and she sent me this surprise. Of course, I started with swatching them. I didn't want to use a printed swatched card because I wanted to get acquainted with their names and it will be easier for me to learn their names and also to start filling them. I got my own 10 or maybe 12 uh, polychromos pencils which I bought open stock for coloring green and for coloring faces. And now with this amazing set together, I think that I am able to color absolutely everything. I will be coloring pictures in Leila Dewley book, I will be coloring faces, and I'm so eager to start experimenting, combining them with Prismacolors and to discover which unique colors I have in this set. I already noticed that they are a little bit more natural looking. I think that it's because of their transparency and oil base, and I hope that after some time of practice I will adjust my way of coloring to their transparency and to their higher pigmency. You know that I color quite quickly and I have a tendency to color in one or maximum two layers, so covering paper almost instantly from the first layer of Prismacolors. But I think that these beautiful pencils deserve other way to show all their properties and all their possibilities. So I will try to learn how to color slowly, how to do more layers, and how to achieve beautiful different hues of colors, mixing them and adding color gradually and slowly. By the way, it was very interesting to analyze my pencil set, and I always run out of my green colors first, then violet, blue and brown, and my reds are maybe less used and longest pencils in my Prismacolor set, and I think that it will be the same with polychromoses, or maybe I just have to find some pictures where I will be using all those beautiful red colors which I now have in this set. I think that selection of colors is very thoughtful. Of course, it's Faber-Castell pencils, so of course selection is thoughtful. I think that only a couple of yellow pencils are a little bit similar, and all others have absolutely amazing, nice great color gradients. So I have now warm yellows, cold yellows, orange reds, red, uh, pink, red colors, so full palette, and I am ready to color everything. I'm ready to start learning my new pencils because in my opinion the more you use your pencils, the better you know them, the better result you get. Now I rarely use color swatches. When I select Prismacolors for my next projects, I already know all my favorite color combos of two or three pencils, And now I need to learn polychromasis in the same way. Which pencils to combine in order to create smooth gradients and which pencils to use to get more dramatic and contrast effect. Now my swatch sheet of 60 colors is ready and this set is amazing. I wish I could express properly all the joy I feel now, and I wish I could return back the same happiness to all of you and to repay for this support and for your help and for this amazing present. Thank you, Pascal, and you literally gave me wings. And now I will be adding my pencils which I already own to this sheet, and we will be able to see the full range of colors I now own. You can see that I by myself purchased mostly greens and browns and a little bit of violet. Of course, they are my favorite colors. You know it if you follow my channel and my colorings. Sometimes I want to step out of my comfort zone and to color with color palettes which I use more rarely, but still I think that my most successful pictures which I finished are still made using my favorite colors. And that's my full range for now. I am absolutely happy. I don't think that I need any additional colors. It's a title page from Maria Trolle book, and I have a terrible habit to start testing my new art supplies on the title pages. Usually a name page supposed to be most beautiful and to represent the book in the whole, but I either don't color them or I test my mediums, and sometimes I color only some elements. Maybe one day I need to just sit and to finish all my poor name pages. Pencils lay down so great even with the lightest touch. They give away a very bright pigment. Of course, I immediately felt the difference of pigments, different between wax-based pencils and oil-based pencils, but I think that all I need is patience. Less pressure, more layers, and I believe that we become friends. I thank you for watching this video and for sharing with me my joy and happiness. Pascal, thank you for your care and for this wonderful present.